Hey, what's going on, Lawn Care family? Today we're in the shop. We just finished our garage, and we're gonna do what is called some lawnmower maintenance. The things that we tend to overlook.
And these things that help us to be more efficient with our yards, so we won't have to do double cuts, give us a more crisp, pristine, leveled yard when we cut. Make sure that the mowers are leveled and all that. With sharp blades, is gonna give you that look that your customers gonna love.
All right. So what we have here is called the jungle jack. The jungle jack. Take a look at it on the side right here. The jungle jack. And we just assembled it. It wasn't a hard assemble. It's important that you'll see like these two washers that goes in the middle. Let me show you real quick. If you ever think about getting a jungle jack, the washers, in order to make this really tight, goes in between right there. So you put the washers in and then you tighten the bolts up. We had it lined up on the outside, which was definitely wrong.
Allowing the handle to wobble.
All right, so what we have is a 60-inch John Deere mower, and from the 60-inch John Deere mower, we're gonna see if this thing works. It's supposed to carry, I think 800 pounds. So I'm pretty sure this is heavier than, well, it should be about 500. We'll see.
This is the box that comes in.
You have 500-pound lift.
Oh, 500, okay, 500 pounds.
500-pound lift.
All right, so it's hooked. All I'm supposed to do is be able to step on it. Now, if anything pops or breaks, whew, there you go. Let's see if it works. All right, baby.
All right.
You get under there first.
No thanks.
All right, that's what it's supposed to do. It's supposed to keep it up.
Let me take a look at it.
Hold on, that's it. Let's make sure.
See how it feels. Messing on one end, because you know these things keep themselves balanced. Well, you know, for safety and precaution, I know I done did it on the curb where I let one tire ride off the curb. I trusted it because I was on top of it. But being up under it, I want to make sure, hey, let's get that same amount of weight on that other side. I push on it, and it does, so we look good.
All right, so we're gonna pause it. We got our Obi we're gonna put together in a second.
Right here.
Table plate attached. You will now adjust the grind angle by raising or lowering the motor in stone.
All right, lawn care family, we're going to sharpen blades. This is our very first time, to be honest with you. We never want to come across like we've been doing this for 20 years. So we got the Oregon, forgot the model name of it. So Darian is going to attempt to sharpen one of these rusty blades.
All right, here we go. Put your protective goggles on. Keep your eyes safe.
Hold on, we ain't put the screws down. All right, see, this is real light. We ain't tightening these screws. Get around loosen these screws. Live YouTube. That's not live.
This is Line Maintenance 101 Uncut.
Is that okay?
That ain't good because we chewing up something now. Let's see.
That's it. That ain't the way. It's the other way. Pull it towards you. Yeah.
God. I got short sleeves on.
Hold on. The spark's going that way? Hold on. Why the spark's going that way? Hey, the harder you press, the more metal it shaves off.
Something funny when it gets to the end. Look at that.
Oh, this is a beautiful thing.
What did you say, Vic?
It's a beautiful thing.
How powerful it took it off?
It took it off. This is what is this? A torque gun? Cobalt torque gun. This is my 60-inch zero turn John Deere 930M. Watch me take this out, no problem. One hand. Don't walk over me. One hand. You can't ask for more than that. Go. Oh my goodness. Oh, the warp. Hold on. Is that like? No, it's not. Yes, it is. The warp? What do you think? Maybe. Not sure.
That thing done hit something, but I got some power.
Real simple, just put it back in. Don't even need a block. Don't even need a block for this. In there. Look how clean this deck is under here. Nice and clean. Okay, she recorded me trying to get this thing. Alright, guys. Woo! These are all blades to our equipment. We have a couple of walk behinds, zero turn. These are actual mulching blades for when you're doing leaf cleanup.
I'm checking the balance of the blade, see if it's evenly cut. It's a little bit more weight on this side. That's close.
We'll roll with it.
Huh? We'll roll with it. We'll get better at this.
Gonna get better, guys. If you see something that we can improve on, let us know. Have you sharpened that one already?
Yeah.